What's going on, family? Black Phoenix checking in with you this morning. I was asked a small question. As a rule of thumb, how much money should you invest back into your independent welding business as you get started? And they typically say that, before you want to start seeing a profit, it's going to take about 3 years. Um, just think about, the different insurance, the different uh, um, things you have to pay for to maintain the business, the upkeep, and also being independent, you also got to take care of yourself. So you got to think about that. So I would say personally to invest at least no less than 25%. So I would say between 25 and 35% of your 100% profit you should invest back into your business. Now, let's say I just went and did a job and I made $1,500. I would like to invest 25% at least back into my business. So say it might be something I need, some more reels, some more tools, I need to get maintenance on something. And that way, as you go, you got a savings to take care of those things because these things happen, maintenance, keeping things up and going, you know what I mean? So those certain things you're gonna have to spend and pay for. And as for a yearly, deal, they say normally, around 10%. 10% of your full profit on a yearly profit you should invest back into your business. So that gives and take to, it all depends on what you want to do. But I would say a rule of thumb, being an independent welder, doing mobile welding, especially not having a fabrication shop. This is doing mobile welding. It's mobile welding jobs. Um, and like I say, even if you was doing fabrications, honestly, but I'm just giving it to you as for a mobile welding standpoint, that I invest 25% back into my business. So I think that's a good rule of thumb to get you started and to get the ball rolling. All gone.